Which of the following is not an irrational numbers? For some integer p, every odd integer is of the form the least number that is divisible by all the number from 1 to 10 both included is the sum of a rational and irrational number is always the product of a non-zero rational and an irrational number is the product of two different irrational number is always express 98 as a product of its prime. The LCM of 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 and 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 3 each. The decimal expansion of the rational number 14587 divided by 1250 will terminate after the decimal expansion of number 441 divided by 2 की power 2 multiply 5 की power 3 multiply 7. For any positive integer a and b, there exists unique integer q and r such that a equal to 3q plus r, where r must satisfied. Four whales troll together at 9 a.m. They toll after 7, 8, 11 and 12 seconds respectively. How many times will they toll together again in the next 3 hours? The product of two consecutive natural number is always If two positive integer a and b are written as a equal to x cube y square and b equal to x y cube, x and y are prime number, then HCF of a and b is. If HCF equal to 8 and LCM equal to 48, then the value of y is. If HCF of A and B equal to 12 and A into B equal to 1800, then LCM of A and B is. The HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117. Then the value of m is. The number pi is a. The product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by. The LCM of two numbers 77 and 99 is 693 and HCF is find. What is the greatest possible speed at which a man can walk 52 km and 91 km in exact number of minutes? The set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash represent the set of. Euclid division lemma state that for two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integer q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where r must satisfy. If HCF of 55 and 99 is expressible in the form of 55m minus 99, then the value of m. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 33 and 264 respectively. When the first number is completely divided by 2, the quotient is 33. The other number is which of the given number is completely divisible by 11? Find the ratio between LCM and HCF of 5 and 15 and 20. If A equal to 2n plus 13 and B equal to n plus 7, where n is a natural number, then HCF of A and B is two natural number whose sum is 85 and the least common multiple is 102 are the largest number that will divide 398, 436 and 542, leaving remainder 7, 11 and 15 respectively each. There are 576 boys and 448 girls in a school that are to be divided into equal sections of either boys or girls alone. The total number of sections thus formed are if the LCM of 12 and 42 is 10m plus 4, then the value of m is a forester want to plant 66 apple tree, 88 banana tree and 110 mango trees in equal row in terms of number of trees. Also he want to make distinct row of trees, that is to say only one types of tree in each row. The number of minimum row required are there is a circular path around a sports field. Priya takes 18 minutes to drive one round to the field. Harish takes 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many times will they meet? The least number that is divisible by all the number from 1 to 5 both inclusive is What will be the least possible number of the planks if 3 pieces of timber 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter long have to be divided into planks of the same length? N square minus 1 is divisible by 8. If n is a if two positive integer a and b can be expressed as a equal to x y cube and b equal to x की power 4 y की power 2 z, xy being prime number, then HCF of a and b is what is the HCF of 8, 9 and 25? The largest number which divide 17 and 125, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively is the LCM of 2.5, 0.5 and 0.175 is the largest number that will divide 398, 436 and 542, leaving remainder 7, 11 and 15 respectively is pair of natural numbers whose least common multiple is 78 and the greatest common divisor is 13 are the value of x and y in the given figure are there are 312 and 260 and 156 students in class 10th, 11th and 12th respectively. Buses are to be hired to take these students to a picnic. Find the maximum number of students who can sit in a bus if each bus takes equal number of students. Given that LCM of 91 and 26 is equal to 182, then HCF of 91 and 26 is If the HCF of 408 and 1032 is expressible in the form of 1032 into 2 plus 408 into P, then the value of P is. If 9 by 7 की पावर 3 मल्टीप्लाई 49 अपॉन 81 की पावर 2x माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 7 बाई 9 की पावर 9, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज. The decimal expansion of the rational number 97 divided by 2 into 5 की power 4 will terminate after. If minus 1 की power n plus minus 1 की पावर 8n equal to 0 when n is. According to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, if t a prime number divide b square and b greater than 0, then three farmers have 490 kg, 588 kg and 882 kg of wheat respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a bag so that the wheat can be packed in exact number of bag. The decimal form of 129 divided by 2 की पावर 2 into 5 की पावर 7 into 7 की पावर 5 is. If m की पावर n equal to 32, where m and n are positive integer, then the value of m की पावर m into n is. If n is a natural number, then exactly one of number n, n plus 2 and n plus 1 must be a multiple of. The number in the form of 4p plus 3, where p is a whole number, will always be a. A number 10x plus y is multiplied by another number 10a plus b, and the result comes as 100p plus 10q plus r, where r equal to 2y and q equal to 2x plus y and p equal to 2x, where xy less than 5 and q not equal to 0. The value of 10a plus b may be. If A and B are two positive numbers and H and L are their HCF and LCM respectively, then which of the following is true? If B equal to 3, then any integer can be expressed as A equal to. The decimal expansion of the rational number 972 divided by 5 की power 4 will terminate after the product of two consecutive natural number is always two alarm clock ring their alarm at regular interval of 50 second and 48 second. If they first beep together at 12 noon, at what time will they beep again for the first time? If A equal to 2n plus 13 and B equal to n plus 7, where n is a natural number, then HCF of A and B is six plus 5 root 3 minus 4 minus 3 root 3 is a LCM of the given number x and y, where y is a multiple of x, is given by